Are we recording? Yes. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you with a October cash envelope stuffing video. I know it's been so long since I've updated you guys on kind of my life and where I'm at budgeting wise. Part of the reason I didn't upload this video sooner was because I have been awaiting my Erin Condren life planner in the mail. I ordered it several weeks ago and there was some sort of shipping problem. It says it was delivered to my apartment, but it never came. So I have officially gone through 1 full year using this planner, and I must say that my life is forever changed. Not only has this planner allowed me to budget, but it's also just been a great way to keep track of my health and a bunch of other things as I've navigated tons of life changes, moving across the country and working on my health and my fitness. So 10 out of 10. If you guys aren't on your planning game, get started. I made a video about this planner like probably a year ago at this point, but I believe I got it from Michael's for like 20 bucks. So it doesn't have to be as expensive as an Erin Condren planner is. I spent way too much money on my planner, but I've come to realize how great of a resource this is for me. And yeah. So when I get my planner in the mail, I know that there's like a big Erin Condren following out there. I will for sure record kind of like a planner tour or just like a video of my planner. I'm so excited for it and I'm so sad that it hasn't come in the mail. But I have to move on and I have to record this video, so I'm not waiting any longer. For the time being, all of my categories for my budgeting process are just going to be shown on a piece of paper, and yeah, I have my envelopes and my cash behind me right now, so let's get started. I just want to say, like, this planner was never big enough to like fit everything in it, so I actually had to kind of like divide it up. But it's kind of like sweet, like looking back on some things, like when I first started my YouTube channel, I was coming up with like video ideas last October, and I was like writing down everything and just, I was so freaking organized, dude. Oh my gosh. Like, look, I was like checking off every single day I worked out, and on weekends I would go for walks, and I would write down like, you know, if I was planning on doing something or just if I had somewhere to go. That was just like how I got through my day. It's crazy, dude. Oh my gosh, I was so organized. So before I begin with the fun part, I know it's going to be hard to see once I start filming, so I just wanted to show you guys my budget. This month I budgeted $150 for gasoline, $200 for groceries, $100 to eat out, $25 for going out, which lately has just meant getting some wine and bringing it home. $75 for clothing and $50 for trips and events. I've noticed that it's becoming a reoccurring theme for me to not spend anything on home decor or just like miscellaneous expenses, so probably when I get my new planner, I'm just gonna nix those envelopes all together because it's been so long since I've spent money on anything home related, and when I do, I usually just bundle it up into like my groceries bill, so that will probably be a category that I consider getting rid of in the future. So for my gasoline envelope, I'm still using my Costco cash card, and I've just been bringing my cash into the Costco customer service center and handing them 3 $50 bills. So that will be all I budget for gas. For groceries, like I said, I budgeted $200, and I'm budgeting 6 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 $10 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5 $20 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, I'm low-key annoyed because the bank teller gave me like the sloppiest bills. I literally got no crispy bills this time. Even my $50 bills are freaking not crispy, and it makes me kind of sad, but oh well, it's all the same. My next category is eating out, which I budgeted $100 for. And for my eating out envelope, I'm using up all 10 of my $1 bills. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 $10 bills, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 20s, so 1, 2, For my next category, I have going out, which I budgeted $25 for, and that is just going to be 5 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For clothing, I budgeted $75. Oh wait, so I'm skipping miscellaneous and home, so we're gonna ignore those. For clothing, I budgeted $75 and I'm using $150 and 2, 3, 4, 5, the remainder of my 5s. Also, this $5 bill is super old, so that's kind of interesting. And then last but not least, I have my $150 bill for my trips and events folder. And that is my stuffed envelopes. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me on this cash envelope stuffing journey for the month of October. Again, it kind of sucks that I had to write down my budget on this tiny piece of paper this time, but hopefully when I get my Erin Condren planner in soon, I can rewrite it down all nice and pretty and get back on my organized planning game. So until then, I look forward to talking to you guys again soon. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.